Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so we can avoid some additional charges due to downloading something. And now we can finally open the Play Store. However, you need to be aware that you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can do it right now after entering the Play Store, or if you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so let me quickly get started. Let me quickly enter my password. And finally we are done. This is what you will see after entering the Play Store. So now let's simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then go to Manage Apps and Device. And here, tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, this is the full list of available updates. So basically, it depends what you want to do. You can either tap on Update All, and your device will simply download all of those updates, or you can simply go through the list and choose the apps that you want to update. So I'll pick, for example, this one, maybe this one, and this one. And they will immediately appear at the top, and basically it means that your device is now downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully and automatically installed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.